Deliverance from demons and jinn. If a demon-possessed person is not conscious due to any form or combination, write the following and tie it around the neck and recite it 7 times and breathe on water and drink it and put some water on the mouth of the demon-possessed person, and if even 2 drops go down the throat, God willing, immediately the victim will regain consciousness. This is the experience. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. I have exalted my death upon you by the Lord Gabriel, Michael Israel. Grant us, he who made the throne. I have determined upon you by the one who answered. When Jesus, son of Mary, bestowed upon him and supported his soul with the Holy Spirit, and I swore to you by the seal of Solomon, son of David, peace be upon them, who subjugated to him the winds and